Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting this series to which I show you how to create really beautiful eyeshadow looks using Beautycounter eyeshadow palettes. So they have a variety of eyeshadow palettes that are available and they are all so good. The formulas are so amazing that I'm really excited to share them with you because I've been using them. As you will see, my palettes are so well loved, which I think is a pretty good sign that they are that good. So in today's video, I'm going to be featuring this look using Beautycounter's Romantic Eyeshadow Palette. So if you're interested in sticking around to watch me create this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So in terms of the Romantic Eyeshadow Palette, Beautycounter's eyeshadows in general are really designed to provide high quality, high color payoff without questionable ingredients. Their shadows also contain an ingredient called butter powder, and this helps to boost pigment and of course enhance the wear of the shadows, and they are just really soft and buttery. So the Romantic Eyeshadow Palette contains 9 shades that have a mixture of finishes, so matte, metallics, and shimmers. And really this color story is just so beautiful. It contains pinks, purples, and candlelit neutrals that really help you create captivating looks. These shades would be so gorgeous on a variety of skin tones, and I've just really been loving this palette. It is long wearing, it's easy to apply, super beautiful. And what I really need to call out is this center metallic topper shade. It's not really a glitter topper shade, it's more of kind of a metallic sheen. However, the majority of Beautycounter palettes, they have this middle statement shade and they are all so gorgeous. So I'm really excited to share the Romantic Eyeshadow Palette with you today, and of course the rest of the amazing palettes offered by Beautycounter. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the footage of me creating this look using Beautycounter's Romantic Eyeshadow Palette. so that completes this look using Beautycounter's Romantic Eyeshadow Palette. I told you, their shadows are so gorgeous, and I don't really think you can grasp how beautiful and high quality they are until you try them for yourself. I am not kidding. They are really up there with some of the best shadows I have ever tried. And I'm not saying that. I own every single Beautycounter eyeshadow palette. Hence, I'm doing this series because I really love this formula. The butter powder, which helps to enhance pigment and prolong wear, really just does its job. This color story and the shimmers in this topper shade, seriously, I mean, it is so good. You have to see it in person. The shimmers are just so beautiful. They give you that really nice luminous finish. The deeper shades, I know I didn't use the two darker shades in today's look. They are really rich. They are not chalky. You can build these shadows. They lay beautifully on the lid. So I hope you enjoyed this look using Beautycounter's Romantic Eyeshadow Palette. Be sure to check back in future videos where I will continue to feature each of the shadow palettes that are offered by Beautycounter. They are so gorgeous. And what I think is probably the best quality about all of these palettes is that they are clean and you can feel really great about wearing them, and just the payoff is just really worth it. If you have any questions regarding Beautycounter's Romantic Eyeshadow Palette, or really Beautycounter in general, please feel free to leave me a comment. You can send me a DM on Instagram if you follow me, which you should. You can also send me an email, which I have listed down below. I'm always happy to help. I love being part of the education process when it comes to being affiliated with Beautycounter. It's what I love to do, is teach others about what a really stand-up brand this is. So with that being said, I just want to say, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday, so if you haven't done so already, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of my future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.